In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the average function in Excel. We'll start by opening Microsoft Excel and getting ready to work with a simple set of numbers. The average function is one of the most useful basic formulas in Excel because it helps you quickly find the arithmetic mean of a group of values. In other words, Excel adds the numbers together and then divides the total by how many values there are. This is especially helpful when you're working with test scores, sales numbers, expenses, or any data where you want a quick summary. To understand how it works, let's look at a simple example using a range of scores. Imagine you have the following values: 85, 90, 78, 95, and 82. If these scores are entered into cells A2 through A6, you can calculate the average by clicking into an empty cell and typing equals average, then open parentheses, A2 colon A6, and close parentheses. The formula would be written as equals average, open parentheses, A2 colon A6, close parentheses. When you press enter, Excel returns the result, which is 86. This is the average of all the numbers in that range. Using a range like this is a great option when your values are already listed in a column or row, because it keeps the formula clean and easy to update if the data changes later. Now let's look at another way to use the same function. Instead of referencing cells, you can also type the numbers directly into the formula. For the same scores, you would enter equals average, open parentheses, 85, 90, 78, 95, 82, close parentheses. After pressing enter, Excel again gives you 86. This approach is useful for quick calculations, especially if you're working with just a few values and don't need to place them into cells first. Finally, you can also average multiple ranges at the same time. For example, if one group of values is in A2 through A6 and another group is in C2 through C6, you can type equals average, open parentheses, A2 colon A6, comma, C2 colon C6, close parentheses. Excel will calculate the average using all values from both ranges together. This is helpful when your data is separated into different columns, but you still want one overall average. That's how to use the average function in Excel. Once you know these three methods, you can calculate averages quickly and confidently in a variety of spreadsheet situations.